In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Notion. This is a quick tutorial designed to make navigating your Notion workspace easier by adjusting your view to best suit your needs. Whether you're presenting a detailed project plan or simply trying to read more comfortably, knowing how to manipulate your screen size can really enhance your Notion experience. First things first, let's make sure you're in the right place. Begin by heading over to your connected workspace in Notion. This hub is where you'll manage your wiki, documents, projects, and more. It serves as the central place where all the magic happens. Once you're on the main page, the next step is to access your account by clicking on Login. You'll find this option at the top right corner of the Notion homepage. After you've logged into your account, you should automatically be directed to the Notion homepage. This is where you have access to all your notes, projects, and workspaces. Once you're there, the process to adjust your zoom settings is really straightforward. To zoom in, press the Ctrl key along with the plus key on your keyboard. This command will enlarge the content on your screen, making the text and visuals more readable. This is particularly useful if you're working on a detailed document, or if your screen size is larger and you'd like to bring things into clearer focus. If you ever need to decrease the size of your view, perhaps because you want to see more information on the screen at once, simply press the Ctrl key and the Home key. This action will zoom out your display and give you a broader view of your workspace. It's a great way to get an overview of larger projects or multiple blocks of text side by side. Adjusting the zoom level is a small but powerful feature that can really help tailor your Notion experience to best fit your needs. Experiment with these settings depending on the task at hand or your preference. Remember that these shortcuts are specific to desktops, so if you're using a different device, such as a tablet or phone, you might need to pinch in and out using your fingers to achieve similar results. And there you have it. A simple, efficient way to adjust your Notion view with just a few key presses. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. I hope it helps you navigate Notion more comfortably and brings a bit more ease to your digital workspace. Feel free to experiment with these features and see how they can best serve your productivity needs in Notion.